Okay, now go.
Dali.
No, set to lock. Hi guys! Today is Friday, my dear, right?
Yeah,
Friday or Saturday?
Friday.
Yeah, today is Friday and I'm going to assemble my IKEA drawers because my collection is getting bigger, so I need to have room for my makeup. So this is the box of my IKEA drawers before, not drawers, drawer only because it's one. Before we assemble it, and I will show you the finished product after we assemble it.
And you have to get the right piece. Only the bottom piece has those holes. The top pieces don't.
Oh.
Thank
Patong
you.
lock?
Ipatong na po naman siya na.
Oh,
Ah,
patong
sige.
lock.
Lock. Saan na lock?
My dear, lock the.
I'll get it.
Lock.
And then after you set that in there, you have to put the lock inside. We've done this before with another piece of furniture.
Yeah.
Did it lock?
Yeah, this lock was the one who like eating like tanga. More hugot-hugot this.
Yay!
Okay na.
Next.
So, not the finished product, but it's almost finished. So we go to the number 4 na.
Ipansak ko nun siya.
Muna number 3. Ha?
Papay kong screwdriver. We need to buy new screwdriver, Mali.
Oo niya na, ulay na to na. Ambi na, kamawali na.
So, asa to siya dapitang?
Sweeto.
Nagit? Magpagabali na ba?
Naiwag ka tong camera, bitaw sa anong panahon mo na nung sini.
Kato kong milkshake.
Ching! Ching! Magpahit na ka, guys?
Yan.
Screw.
Screwdriver dito sa pinakauna.
Gani ka doon, saan na?
Yan na pinaka. Para mo ikaw yung mga ganyan.
Lang? Abri sa yung mga tichiching.
May itong screwdriver, be.
Oh. Parihara na ba ni siya size tanan?
Parihara.
Oo. Eh, kaysa idoot.
Isa.
Oh. Ano mo sa kakawin, no? Yeah, slide. Slide
Yeah,
ba?
but how to slide?
No.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta push it all the way down. Look, it's not in that hole.
It is in the hole.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's all the way in?
Musulod ba yun siya? Ha? Ay, ituot na talaga siya. Sige. Ay, ako kang bahadlok. Murag bahadlok yun ko ba? Duda yun ko.
Sure ka? Hindi siya parihaan eh.
Dapat usarin mo pansak para may equal.
So when you put it on,
Just do like that.
Ouch! It's gonna...
Just to be careful because that thing is so
Sharp.
sharp.
Here you go. Here you go. I know.
It won't
No,
slide.
it's not fit. Look.
It
No,
won't.
no, it does.
No, it won't. Yeah.
Yeah, just go like
Be
that.
careful.
No, but you have to put this all the way down here.
Wait.
Oh, I think that's enough.
It's a
Ah,
perfect
yeah,
shoot.
here, oh. Perfect shoot. Where?
Right here.
This one.
Ayun, akong gi-balance ang mga diriwang.
Dili na,
tama
mao.
na, tama na.
No, dili eh. Dapat ilaw siya dali, oh. Ana.
Ah, nara.
Ana ra, oh.
Pas lagi niya ako diri.
Aliso man yung tunog.
Ihugot siya.
Yeah.
Kina.
You gotta hold this, Mentoy. Hold that.
Press the button.
Okay.
Okay, now go.
Kali.
Now, set to lock. Press the button and let me know before I...
I think you guys should start a furniture company. It will be called Man-Fem. Man-Fem. Because you guys are manly.
Wang toy.
No, it's one toy.
Don't toy.
This is also from IKEA. And that will fit there.
What about sideways?
That's sideways. It's too big for sideways. Last one!
Nakaulat ta.
Yeah, sige. Hi guys, so I forgot to show you the finished look of my IKEA drawers right after we assemble it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick video to show you the finished look, and this is what it looks like now. This is the IKEA Alex 5 drawers. I was originally planning to get 2 of these, but there was only 1 available. That's why I got 1 instead of 2. So yeah, that's what it looks like now. And I also like it because it's white, but you can actually choose black and brown, I think, or dark brown, or I'm not sure, but I think there's 2 or 3 colors that are available. I saw one that it's in black, and I saw one that it's in dark brown, but I got the white one because it's neat. And I'm also planning to buy a glass to put it on top so it will not scratch this area, and as well as my table. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We're sorry to tell you that we only vlog a little. We did not vlog so much for today because that's most of the things that we did for today. And I hope you still like it, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Is it true that you should expect the unexpected? If you expect the unexpected, isn't that the expected? Are you...
How can you expect when it's unexpected?